What's your name?
Aisha.
Where you came from?
America.
What city?
Egan.
From Egan. So you have arts today, right? MashaAllah. Explain to us what you did and what you mean. I know what it means. And MashaAllah, arts aad u qurux badan aad noo keentay. I really like it and love it, honestly. Go ahead.
Well, this one, this is a tree, as you can see. This is a gathering where people come together to, talk out their disagreements and to have a meeting or to have tea together or to be to talk to each other. And this one is a big abstract painting that I have made. It can be anything anyone wants to interpret it to be. That's it.
waxay noo soo sawirtay waa geedkii Soomaali ku shiri jirtay hadduu dagaal dhacayo lagaga hadli jiray Soomaali sideeda bila aadan geedkaas ayaanu wax walba ku kala goosan jirnay hadday noqoto dhismaha wadanka hadday noqoto gabadhan yar dhaqankii bay sidataa ogaadaya MashaAllah, I'm really proud of you habar macaan halkaasna waa wallska qof kasta wuxuu rabo u isticmaali karaa. Thank you habareer, I really appreciate it to sharing with your talent, and I am kinda happy. Congratulations habar, I say yes to you.